So, good evening, everyone. I am Elizabeth Pantihan, and my group will be discussing about the cost impact of inflation and material price escalation 2020 to 2025. Next slide. Next slide. For the introduction and economic background. So, over the past 5 years, the construction industry has faced remarkable challenges due to a combination of global events and economic shifts. The COVID-19 pandemic disrupted supply chains, leading to shortages of essential materials and labor. Simultaneously, geopolitical tensions and fluctuating demand have caused significant fluctuation in material prices. These factors have collectively contributed the increase in construction costs worldwide. So this study aims to analyze the impact of inflation and material price escalation on construction costs in the Philippines from 2020 to 2025. By examining data from the Philippine Statistics, we provide a comprehensive overview of the economic factors influencing the construction industry during this period. Next slide. For the economic background, the global construction market is expanding rapidly, fueled by urbanization and infrastructure demands, but is constrained by supply chain issues and labor scarcity. High global construction inflation, driven by material costs, labor wages, and trade policies, is expected to moderate but remain elevated in 2025. The Philippine construction industry has demonstrated strong growth supported by government initiatives. Nevertheless, the Philippines is also experiencing inflationary pressures in construction materials as reflected in retail and wholesale price indices. So, the key contributors po ng inflation is material costs, um, prices for essential materials like and it have surged due to supply constraints. For labor shortages naman po, the scarcity of skilled labor has led to wage increases, further inflating the project cost. Lastly is the tariffs and trade policies, which
Nawala si Eloisa? Nawala din ba sa inyo?
Yes po, sir.
Wait natin, baka nag-lag lang yung ano niya, internet. Si Jay, na-text mo na si Eloisa?
Yes po, sir. Mabagal daw po yung net. Wait lang na po. Nagre-reconnect po.
Okay.